Today we have the 2019 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just over 72,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access CarPlay, 4Pass Connect, mobile apps, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: normal, eco, and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.